So we're going to talk today about some Bachmann Branchline locomotives in double O gauge.
Cool.
These were some unusual ones that I don't think we touched on in the past, but they're DMUs. So a DMU is a diesel multiple unit.
Right.
Basically a rail car. So like very similar to what V-Line uses with like their sprinter cars.
Yep.
So this is a 117, well these are 121 class, but we have a few different ones in stock.
Yep.
108 and 117.
Yep.
We also have them in big packs like this, where you get 3 units in one.
Right.
And we have them now with sound and DCC equipped, which is
Right.
really
Fantastic.
cool because how they fit that in such a small package, I will have to have a look at.
Wow.
But I'll just I'll put this over to the
So
to the
both
side.
Bachmann and also Home, they're starting producing more and more sound-equipped kind of locomotives, which is great because they're putting sound into a locomotive is a quite difficult job. Especially to fit all the speakers and all that, so there's quite a bit of work involved.
Yeah, it's pretty fiddly.
Well, one thing that's interesting about these is, and we'll put it up here so you can see more detail. There is a great amount of detail on these. Might not be so easy to see with the camera, but it's really, the frame of the locomotive is really shallow, as in like you could probably put figures in the seats.
That's right.
Because they haven't crammed that space up with mechanism.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's really open.
And the underneath detail, on the undercarriage detail is really nice as well. You've got the
Yeah, that's impressive. Isn't
all of the air compressors and fuel tank and piping, and it's just super detailed. There's an awful lot going on there. So they use these from the late 50s onwards in the UK, because these are British Rail, and they were designed to replace steam locomotives, steam engines on branch lines where it wasn't really economical to run like a full traditional train.
Yeah.
Yep.
So smaller passenger numbers, and this is what they would use on
Right.
that. So we'll put this on the track and fire it up.
And make it happen.
So let's get this programmed on here first. That's the hard part, getting on the tracks. Done.
It's all good.
Okay.
Program it in, and then we'll fire it up.
Oh, he's on.
Sounds a bit like a diesel truck.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, he's idling.
Yep, definitely idling. We got your
Oh.
2 different tones for your horn. One thing that I thought was really nice about this was that the cabin is lit as well,
Oh.
Wow.
and it
That's a bit hard to see from the top, isn't
Yes.
the light comes on really gradually. Like it's not just on off harsh. It actually dims in and dims out.
it? Right.
So if you were to put detail on the interior, you'd be able to see it really nicely with that.
It's pretty even lighting.
And they must have an LED strip
That's
throughout the
super
whole
chill.
length.
Yeah.
I don't think anyone can see that from there.
No,
probably not.
But yeah, it looks good.
Oh, let's say we head one direction or the other.
Sure. Oh, off it goes.
And also surprisingly loud.
Yeah.
It's very good sounding.
Yeah, got nice momentum braking.
Yeah.
So hands off the throttle, and it will
Oh, it's
slowly,
going.
gently come to the stop, and we'll go the other way.
Oh.
So I had to look at the sheet that shows you all of the different sound functions. There's like 25 different sound functions for this locomotive,
Really?
which is a crazy amount.
Oh, off it goes. It's great how the sound is just so synchronized to the movement.
We'll hit the emergency stop.
Emergency
We're gonna do it in time.
It's nice.
Yep, shut it down.
Oh,
That's it.
Yeah.
That's impressive.
So we have a few different variations that I've seen. So these early ones were what BR first used in the late 50s. They called this the speed whisker scheme. So these safety stripes, they called them. They adopted that nickname.
all right.
And then we have the later models, which was in the I think it was the late 60s. They adopted this scheme, the blue gray with the yellow ends for safety. And they used these clear up until the late 1990s, to my knowledge.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So yeah, if you just want a small little branch line passenger scene or a commuter scene, that's a really good option.
Really nice.
Definitely. Beautiful.
Yeah.
I really like this new sound option, really. It just adds a complete new level of detail.
Well,
It's
somehow
done really well, isn't it?
they managed to fit the speaker right there.
Oh,
And
Oh, right.
and that they have holes for the enclosure as well, so the sound can see if it focuses. There we go. So the sound can travel out, and it's nice and balanced, and
Well, the sound was really clear. There wasn't any distortion.
definitely.
Yeah.
And very loud too, actually.
yeah. So yeah, you can get those as an individual unit or as a multiple of 3, and then you get
Like
more
you said,
sound.
like-
Yeah.
That's fine.
There we go.
Cool.
Very good. Awesome.
That's nice.
Okay. Let's see if you have any question on trains. I think Kina was suggesting that Bachmann took note from Rapido about the underframe drives. Not really sure about. Not familiar with this, but
I'm not too familiar with Rapido's underframe drives, but Bachmann did a pretty good job, even if their inspiration might have come from
that's right.
from other products.
Yeah, definitely.
yeah.
Bachmann and Hornby are lifting the game, and they're probably setting themselves as the leader in the market, and keep pushing the level of detail, the quality, and now obviously DCC and sound. Definitely great.
Great. I'm just looking forward to seeing what else they have to show us later this year.
Yeah, there's quite a bit I think coming.
Yeah.
Bachmann deliveries have been very consistent, so we get a box or 2 every couple of weeks.
Keeps you busy, isn't it?
It does.
Mine is having fun to sort out
Yeah.
the boxes.
That's just good because it's like opening Christmas presents
Absolutely.
every couple of months. Like, ooh, what's in the box?
Definitely.
Good fun.
Fantastic. Very good.
All right. Well, thanks everybody.